Welcome to the Science Show. Today's special guest is Professor Lucy Jones.
Hello, it's nice to see you. Okay, so I have a few questions about being a seismologist, what you do and stuff, and basically earthquakes and more about tectonic plates. So, what is a seismologist?
Well, seismologists are earth scientists who study seismic waves and geological materials.
And what are those geological materials?
Geological materials are basically the rocks and sediments that make up the land.
So, would you count sand as a sediment?
Yes.
Okay, so what are seismic waves?
Seismic waves are waves of energy caused by the sudden breaking of rock in the earth or an explosion.
Okay, so what causes the seismic waves?
Seismic waves are formed from sound waves that radiate outward when an earthquake ruptures.
So, what exactly causes the earthquakes to rupture?
Well, earthquakes are caused by faulting. This is an up and down or left to right movements in the tectonic plates.
It's good food.
Welcome back from the commercial break.
So, I have a few more questions that involve tectonic plates. So, what exactly are the tectonic plates?
Well, tectonic plates are large plates of rock that make up the foundation of the Earth's crust and shape the continents. That's how America was formed.
So, I understand that there was a continental drift. Can you tell me a little bit about that?
Yes. Once, very long ago, there was this one huge landform called Pangea. When the plates moved, it separated and is now known as the 7 continents.
So, how many and what are the names of these plates?
There are basically 2 types of plates, oceanic and continental, but there are 15 major plates. They are the African, Antarctic, Eurasian, Indo-Australian, North American, Pacific, South American, Caribbean Cocos, Juan de Fuca, Nazca, Philippine Sea, and Scotia plates.
Okay, so what do the oceanic and continental plates do, and where are they found?
Well, the continental plate is the Earth's rocky outer crust solidified many, many years ago. An oceanic plate is a plate that lies under the ocean.
Okay, so I understand that the continental plate is made of dirt and rocks, but is the oceanic plate made of something different?
Actually, yes. They are almost exactly the same, except instead of being made of many different kinds of rocks and sediments, it is made of one heavy rock called basalt.
Okay, so I hope that you enjoyed this, and catch you after the break whenever we'll be doing some fun facts.
Go.
Whoa! Earthquake! Ah! Get home insurance!
Welcome back for the fun facts.
So, these are just basically question and answers. Stuff we need to know, but stuff that are fun at the same time. So, I have a few questions. What are convergent, divergent, and transform boundaries?
Well, these are the three boundaries that the tectonics meet at. A convergent boundary is where 2 tectonic plates collide. And a divergent boundary is when the 2 tectonic plates separate and move away from each other. A transform boundary is where the 2 plates slide against each other.
Okay, so convergent, divergent, and transform.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, so that's a pretty good way to remember it, isn't it? It's kind of fun. Anyways, so is there any more things you could tell us about, like earthquakes, volcanoes?
Well, earthquakes are usually created when 2 tectonic plates are pushing against each other. And when one tectonic plate gives out, then it sends out a burst of energy, causing the ground to shake, which is what we know as an earthquake.
So, what is a volcano? How does it form and such?
Usually, this is how a volcano forms. At a divergent boundary, the 2 oceanic plates separate. And when they separate, magma from the mantle comes out and it hardens, forming a volcano.
Okay, so where are the oceanic and continental plates?
is, you guessed it, on the ocean floor, and it is a lot thinner. Continental crust is where mountains are, and the earth is, the dirt is, and it's a lot thicker.
Can volcanoes be underwater?
Yes, volcanoes can very much be underwater.
And they're called geysers, correct?
Correct.
So thank you for joining us today on the Science Show. We'll hope to see you again.
Bye-bye. Welcome to Science News, and today's special guest is Professor Lucy Jones. Welcome to the Science Show, and today's special guest is Lucy Jones! Woo-woo!
Don't stop it yet.
Welcome back to the Science Show.